Hi everybody, we are at CVS and we're ready to do some deals. Thank you guys. I had pretty much everybody say that they're having non-stop problems with the CVS app. I actually had something pop up on me last night when I was looking at something asking me about my app experience. So make sure you guys are doing those surveys. Complain to CVS about what the heck is happening here. It's just really annoying about the app, like just showing a white blank screen. When I stand at certain areas of the store, I can sometimes get it to work, but sometimes I don't. My store does not have Wi-Fi, so it's not a Wi-Fi problem. It's something inside the store that's like blocking the app to work. I think it's like their server or something that they have, but yeah, it's a pain in the butt, but hopefully it gets better. But let's go inside and get some shopping done. I'm excited to share with you guys some deals, and then I will come back and share you guys my haul, what I got. But I'm happy to have some fun shopping. So I have the free beauty of the month thing. I was gonna get this one, but this is for more artificial nails. It says it's non-acetone. This is vitamin rich, so I'm gonna get this one. This is $3.69. And this is in the list of items that you guys can get for free if you got the beauty club thing for June. So I'm going to get that absolutely for free. My store doesn't carry this, but the Sting Kill is $6.29, and then there you get a $5 extra care buck when you purchase one of these. There is a Ibotta rebate, but it's for Walmart, not CVS. But for $1.29, that's a pretty decent deal. So we're going to do the Colgate deal. So one of these toothbrushes are $4.49. I have to price check it. But we currently have a $1 off digital coupon that we're going to use. And then I'm also going to get 3 of the Colgate Mouthwashes for $4.49. I do have a $1 off digital coupon, and then I have two $2 off digital coupons. We're going to do that. And then we're going to get one of the 2 Colgates that are 2 for $9.98. And we're going to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I also have, my app is not working, but I'm also have a 5 off of 25 CRT that I will be using. So I'm going to use that 5 off of 25 CRT. I wound up paying $15.94, but you get $6 back when you buy 2 of the Colgates that are 2 for $9.98, and you get $5 back for every 2 that you buy of the mouthwash and toothbrushes. So I'm going to get $10 back with that. This comes out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. Here we have the men's speed sticks. These are on sale for 2 for $6. We have a $1 off a 2 insert coupon. We're going to pay $5, but then you get $3 back when you purchase the 2, making them both just $1 each. So I'm going to get one of these Dove Ultimate deodorants for $12.79. I'm hoping the math goes correctly, but I'll let you guys know what changes. And then I'm getting one of the Degree deodorants. Now this one, the Jasmine and Vanilla, is $7.29. I buy one, get one 50% off. The other ones are not, so we're going to get that. And then I'm going to get 2 of the Axe deodorants. The ad shows that they are buy one, get one 50% off. I forgot to scan them. But anyways, we're going to use a $1.25 off insert coupon for the Degree. We're going to use a $3 off insert coupon for the Dove, and then we're going to use a 3 off of 2 coupon for the Axe. I also have a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT that I will be using. I'll pay $15.16. But when you spend $25 or more, you'll get a $7 extra care buck. So I'll get $7 back with that. And then you get $5 back with Ibotta. It is a limit of 1 for the Dove Ultimate. And then you also get 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards. So that's $1.50. So I'll get $3 back with $1.50. My grand total for all 4 things of deodorant, just 16 cents. I was going to do 3 Axes, but it's just shy of 25, but I'll let you guys know in my breakdowns. So I'm going to get the Raid Essentials. These are $9.29, and then I'm going to get this Raid Fly Ribbon for $4.29. We currently have a buy one get one free coupon of the Raid Essentials. I also have a $1 off of 2 for the regular Raid, but I'm not going to use that. But we are going to use the buy one get one free. It does take off up to $7. You will pay $15.87 for both of these, but you get a $5 extra care buck back when you spend $20. So I'm gonna get the $5 extra care buck back, and then I'll get $4 back for the 2 raids that I buy, and I'll get a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the fly ribbon. You're making your final price just come out to be $6.12 for all 3 items. I actually have a 5 off of 30, so I plan on using it for this deal to make it an even better deal. Make sure you guys are checking out your bug clearance because my store has a lot of markdowns, but I'm actually going to get this Raid Max Ant Baits is on clearance for $1.94. I'm going to combine it with the other Raid Ant thing that I have. So I'm going to use this and end up paying $16.81 for those 4 products, but then I'll get 75 cents back with this one, 75 cents back with this one, and then $2 and $2 back with those. And then that $5 extra care buck, making it $6.31. So that's just like 10 cents or 20 cents more, and it's an even better deal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, app did not work. It was being stubborn as all heck. It would not, I couldn't get it to work. I'm just like, okay, we're just gonna play a guessing game on here. I hated it. I went all the way up to the front door. So if you guys are having problems just like I am, make sure you are complaining to CVS. The manager is like, well, they just updated our Wi-Fi. They just updated the app. Well, whatever they did to the app is stupid, because it's like, I understand they want us to use the app instead of using all the pieces of paper like the CRTs and stuff. Totally fine with that. But make sure the app works. I hate it because I'm in there sitting there going back, trying to get it to work. So if you guys are having CVS app problems, complain to CVS. Hopefully they can fix it, because this is going on 4 or 5 weeks now, and it's just getting worse and more annoying than possible. So yeah, so let's just dig it in. I don't know what happened. I did a deal. I even price scanned it, and it did not show it up at the register, so I will have to say something next week. But yeah, so let's just dig in. So I ended up getting 3 of the Colgate Mouthwashes. These were $4.49, and I used 1 digital and then 2 paper coupons, and then I had a digital toothpaste digital coupon that I used. Seriously, I ended up also getting the Colgate toothpaste for 2 for $9.98, and then I had that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Altogether, I used a 5 off of 25 CRT that I had. Paid $15.94 for 3 mouthwashes, 1 toothpaste, and 2 tubes of toothpaste. But then every 2 that you bought of the toothpaste and the toothbrushes, you got $5, so I got $10 back with that. And then I also received $6 back for buying 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. So my total came out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. I got everything for free, which is exciting because it's been a while since I bought toothpaste at that store. Okay, I ended up getting some Speed Stick. These were 2 for $6. My store no longer carries the women's Speed Stick. But anyways, these were 2 for $6. I had a $1 off a 2 insert coupon. Paid $5 for it, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making them just $2, or then you get a $3 extra care buck, making these just $2 or $1 each. So I got that. I ended up getting this as the freebie of the month for June. I ended up just getting this. This was $3.69, so I thought, yes, I could use some nail polish remover. Definitely go ahead and use that. I also use nail polish remover for crafts. I know, it's crazy, but I use it like crazy for crafts. Here is my other Speed Stick. I bring my own bags, and she ended up bagging them for me, so everything's like double bagged in here. So yes. Okay, the next deal I ended up doing is I got 2 of the Axe deodorants. These were $5.99, and they were buy one get one 50% off. I totally forgot to look at how the breakdown scenario was on this, but then I ended up getting 1 of the women's deodorant for $12.79, and then I got the Degree women's deodorant for $7.29. I used a $3 off coupon for this, a $1.25 coupon for this, and then I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon for these. I also had a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT that I used. So I paid $15.16 for these 4. But then when you spend $25, you get a $7 extra care buck And I also got $5 back with Ibotta for submitting my receipt for the Dove women's deodorant. And then I got 1,500 points each for Fetch Rewards, so I got $3 back with Fetch Rewards, making all 4 of these just 16 cents, which I am pretty good. I really wanted to get a different smell of the Degree. I started using Degree lately. I've been using Secret for years, but I started using the Degree, and I really like it, so yes. Okay, so here is my scenario. I was super excited to get the Raid product. Like, that was the first thing I grabbed in the store. I ended up grabbing these two for $9.29. Now, thankfully, I did write down spend 20, because I'm like, crap, I was like less than $1 short for being to $20 for these, okay? So then I'm like, okay, what can I get? And then I decided I am going to get the Fly Ribbon, and I walked away. And then I'm like, that's right, I have the 5 off of 30 CRT, so I'm going to use that. So this was $4.29 for this. And then I had that $1 off of 2 insert coupon, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get this with it. Now, here's the thing that makes me mad. I price scanned this. It even said $1.94, but on my receipt, it rang up $7 and something cents, and I'm kind of ticked off about it. Because this totally ruined my thing. So, have you guys ever had that happen? Like, the price scanner says one thing, and then the register rings up as regular price. So, I'm going to have them price adjust this for me, which it'll mess it up, but I'll just ask for extra care bucks or something, because it just pisses me off. That's like a $6 difference. I got charged $7.94 for this when it was supposed to be $1.94. But anyways, I used that $1 off of 2 insert coupon that we had. So all 3 of these came out to be $16.81 after the buy one get one free coupon that took $7 off, and then the 1 off of 2 if it's marked correctly, or if it rings up correctly. But then you get a $5 extra care buck when you spend $20, and then you get $2 back and $2 back with Ibotta for these, and then I each got 75 cents back with Ibotta for this. It comes out to be $6.31 for all 4 of these. $6.31, which I think is a pretty good deal. But then I had that spend 30, get a $5 off, so I ended up using it towards that. But that was everything that I got. I didn't get a lot. Like I said, that app is just not the greatest. The deals are not as hot right now. But we will see what happens. My total came to $8.91. I did use $31 of extra care bucks that I can understand on the app. I had to clip some to my card, so it was a little bit confusing. Hi, Charlotte. But I did receive $25 back. With Ibotta, I received $10.50. That is for the 2 raids and then the Dove deodorant. With Fetch Rewards, I received 3,071 points, which is $3.07. Now, I ended up adding everything up for this, and it should have been, my final price should have been $3.41 is what everything should have came out to be the final price. Everything, after buying this, everything should have came out to be $3.41. I got 17 items at just 20 cents each, which I think is a pretty good deal for $3.41 for all that stuff. But I'm kind of sad that I've never seen that, a clearance item ringing up the regular price when I scanned it and it said it was on clearance for $1.94. So I don't know, kind of confusing. Let me know what you guys would do. I just gotta remember to get a refund, or like there's a $5 difference maybe of that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week, hopefully for a better haul. But let's get those apps back to working correctly, because I cannot go any longer. It makes me not want to shop at CVS because the apps just don't work. And then I have to go to the website because the tags aren't up. I have to go to the website to see what stuff qualifies, and then it's just a pain in the butt. I spend more time going through their app. I wish they still had their regular ad, but that's fine not having the regular ad, but I just wish their app would work. So again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.